Hello, everybody. Welcome to another video. Welcome to cringe.tuber.cringecom, like as in .com. Anyways, today you might think this looks a little bit weird, and it's because it is, and it's because it's not a gaming video. I'm not sure if you heard me tapping the mic like that. Now you probably heard it. Anyways, you're like, why is there a piece of paper? Well, that's because we're going to go over a topic that I not really heard lately, but I remember it from a while ago. And it's like a little brain teaser. And this is my theory about it. You don't have to agree with me. You can if you want. Anyways, the question is, what came first? Chicken or the egg? So if you believe in evolution, which I do, and I'm not saying I don't believe in God. I do, very much do. Don't hate me, because I know probably some of my viewers are atheists. I don't really care. Go have your own life. Still watch my videos. Do whatever you want. You have your own beliefs. I have my own beliefs. All right. Anyways, what came first, chicken or the egg? In my opinion, the egg did. I'll explain why in a little bit. So, in school, I learned about, yes, these are my hands, hand reveal, which I'm pretty sure you've seen my hands before. Yeah, in that one Among Us tutorial. Anyways, and I will pick the papers up like this for a better view. Anyways, in school, I learned about human evolution. Now I'm not going to do my full skill of drawing, but yeah. So say that human is over here. Human. Now say monkey is over here. See the tail. Anyways, people believe that we come from monkeys, but that's not the whole fact. See, us and monkeys, I'm pretty sure, have a common ancestor, which could be like a more weird monkey, like no one knows how it looks. Maybe it's like a spider monkey. Anyways, there could have been some monkeys that were like, hey, let's just go throw our poop and like use our feet as hands. So yeah, this could have been like when they started crawling. Then they started using their feet as hands, and this could have been when they stopped walking, because most monkeys are on all four and then sometimes get up on twos. So yeah, this is a crawl monkey. That's a crawl monkey. And us, wait, let me just draw eyes. We probably came from like, hey, we want to walk on 2 feet more. We don't really need that tail because we're getting more balanced. Right? And hey, we're gonna learn how to talk. So yeah, here's a better view. That's basically what happened with us and monkeys. We had a common ancestor, and we took 2 different paths and became a different species. So yeah. I know you're all probably nagging me. I'll use the back. So yeah, I didn't know how many papers I would need. So, my opinion, recent studies have shown that dinosaurs are more related to birds and chickens than to reptiles. Yeah, it might sound strange. Oh, but they both have scales. Well, they think that they had feathers. And this was out when Jurassic World was being made, and they're like, well, we don't want to make the dinosaurs have feathers because they wouldn't look cool and scary anymore. So they gave them scales. But they also believe that T-Rex roar sounds more like a squawk, like squawk. I know it sounds weird, but yeah. But yeah, so I'm thinking maybe like, here, let me just draw a T-Rex. a really bad T-Rex. Here's our T-Rex. And here's our, so the dinosaurs, they lay eggs, obviously. And let's say, so first, this is the path to the chicken, which I'm gonna draw an egg instead of a chicken. Chick. So first they're like, hey, since we're all feathery, pretend those are feathers and not like chocolate melting, we're gonna shrink a little bit. Maybe grow more feathers. And then I'm gonna lay an egg. Obviously it doesn't happen this fast, but when they laid the egg, so this actually came from that came from that. Then that dinosaur laid an egg, and like this is like centuries and centuries of generations and evolution. This is also centuries and other stuff like that. Then one day, dinosaurs were like, "Hey, my egg is hatching." Out popped a chickaroo. Yeah, there's my drawing of a chicken. And I don't know what came over here. So yeah. My opinion, my theory, whatever you want to call it, the egg came first. Now, you might argue how dinosaurs came. And that's, friend, I might say. So this one dude is like really big, like really big. There's his head. He looks sort of like a human, but he has a big beard and eyes and a mouth. Then he also has a mustache. He was like, hey, I want some toys. He was like, let me make me a toy real quick. Now this toy is the same size as a T-Rex. Give him feathers, give him the teeth. That's a T-Rex. Obviously, my skills are awesome. He was like, oh no, he got really sad. Because he dropped his toy down to a big orb called Earth. Earth. Yeah. Then when the T-Rex was on Earth, he got scared, like really sad and scared. Because he saw an asteroid. This asteroid came from this dude. He made another toy to make himself happy. Then he threw it to Earth because he thought Earth stole his toy because like gravity, it fell out of his hand. He was like, hey, you stole my toy, give it back. So he threw a ball at it and he caused an asteroid. Then the T-Rex died. Anyways. There'll be another video out today, or later today. Later today. Magic. cringe. Anyways, new video going to be out later today about video games. Yeah. It's not like any of my viewers actually leave comments on my videos, so I won't ask if I should play Rocket League or Fortnite. So I'ma just play one of them. Wow! Hey, it's 4:44 p.m. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to hit that smash button with an asteroid and like it. And don't forget to turn that red rectangular button that says subscribe into subscribed, and it turns gray, you know? And yeah, smash that hit button and like the comments down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.